In this tutorial, we'll search for data sources, like datasets and subject areas, to create a workbook in Oracle Analytics. Creating a workbook requires data, which comes from datasets or subject areas. It's best to have a dataset before building a workbook, but datasets can also be located while creating the workbook. There are two ways to find the dataset, and both begin on the home page. First, I can search for datasets using the search bar on the home page. I'll type in keywords and select Enter. Options related to this keyword will then populate, and I'll select the data source I want to use to open it. This opens a new workbook that uses this dataset. From here, I can begin to create visualizations using this dataset. I'll drag and drop measures and attributes onto the canvas to begin my analysis. The second way I can search for a data source is by using the Data tab through the home page. I'll use Navigator to open Data. This shows me the types of data sources I have access to. Here, I'll find the Datasets tab with the data that I have access to, like files and subject areas. I can search for datasets or subject areas on the search bar. I'll select the data source I am interested in to create my workbook. When I click on Connections, I'll see any connections to external data sources, like external Oracle application sources or different cloud sources with my business data. If there's a long list of connections, I can also use the search bar. Once I have the datasets I need, I'm ready to get started on my analysis. Find additional videos in this series and more resources on using Oracle Analytics in the links below.